Brahma and the demigods, they're doing a lot of hard efforts, but they could not attain it yet. But the devotees, they attain it very quickly just by doing bhakti. Especially Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, mercifully, he appeared to give prema to all. That prema is very, very rare. Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is giving mercy to all the living entities through his mercy potency. Like he left his mercy potency free. And he made the mercy potency free. Go as far as you can. Like as far as you can go and spread this prema as far as you can. Krishna, he gave prema in Vrindavan. He gave only inside Vrindavan, not outside Vrindavan. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, absorbed in the mood of Srimati Radhika, he is giving prema to all the living entities. For this regard, Brahmani Chandale Tarekura Kuli. Brahman and Chandal, a Brahman and a dog meat eater, to everyone Mahaprabhu is distributing prema and is making everyone dip in the ocean of love. And they both embrace to each other, and they become transcendentally mad, and then they get absorbed in divine mode. So that's why Brahma Durlabh Prema. Mahaprabhu is giving prema that is even hard for Brahma to attain. Chaitanya, this is the glories of the Chinese Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He is highest, magnanimous and munificent nature manifest in Chaitanya Mahaprabhu form. Krishna, he also expressed his magnanimity, but little bit, not too proper. Aho bakiyam tanakalakutam
Dayalum saranam brajumam Dayalum saranam brajumam.
Sukadeva Goswami Pad says, Krishna's mercy, he manifests little bit, but only inside the Braj. Aho Bhakyam Sthana Kala Putam Jiganta Pasati Tantato Nem Saranam Brajema. This verse is coming. The sister of Bakasur, Putana, she applied Kalkut, the deadliest poison, on her breast. She covered her whole breast with that poison, and she came to kill the 6 days old Krishna. But just she dressed up as a mother. From outside, just like a mother, she dressed up, and she showed the mood of parental love and affection from outside, and Lord Krishna, the Putana's bad smelling body, Putana Balaka, Rudirasana, or Putana, Shukadeva Goswami Pad is saying, used to kill little children, and she used to drink their blood. Putana Balaka Atini, Rudirasana. Such bad smelling body she had. And that Putana also, that Putana was delivered by God, and she attained the possession of
परिचारिका के रूप में
the maidservant of Mother Yashoda.
अच्छा बताओ, यही तो कृष्ण की करुणा की एक विशेष
This is the mercy of Krishna. He delivered to Putana only in Braj.
किंतु इसी विचार में संदर्भ में
But in just in this situation, it is coming like this. Whatever Krishna did, he did inside the Braj.
और वही कृष्ण
And that same Krishna
और
appeared with the mood and complexion of Srimati Radhika
नवद्वीप में प्रकट होकर
in Navadvip. He appeared there and he distributed that prema all around.
ब्राह्मण चंडाल उसके लिए विचार
Even he is not thinking who is Brahman, who is dog meditator. He is just giving prema to everyone.
ब्राह्मण चंडाल करे कुलाकुली
He is giving prema mercy to all. Brahman and a dog meditator all are in the ocean of love, and together they are there.
चैतन्य महाप्रभु
Just you think, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in this incarnation,
गौर अवतार
in this Gaura incarnation, which one? The Gaura incarnation, he is giving prema to everyone indiscriminately. And which prema? The highest prema. Sir, Unnata Jwala Rasa he is giving. Anarpita Chanirchirat Karune Avatirna Kalau Samar Pito Unnato
उन्नत उज्जवल रस
Unnata Jwala Ras
श्रृंगार रस
Sringar Ras,
ऐसे श्रृंगार रस की सर्वोत्तम
the highest level of Sringar Ras, the mood of Manjaris.
उस मंजरी भाव की प्रकष्ठा चैतन्य महाप्रभु
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is expressing that, giving to Jivas. For this very regard, Rupa Goswami Pal in Vidagdha Madhav Natak he explaining Anarpit Charinchirat Karunaya Vatirnagi Nakalao.
तमार प्रयत्न उन्नत उज्जवल संशक्ति श्याम हरि हरि पूर्ण सुंदर गति रबक संगीर पुकार सदा हृदय कंदरे थोड़ा तुला सचिन यही गौर सुंदर की विशेष
This is the special
विशिष्ट
quality of Gaura Sundar. Our acharyas, they have explained like this.
और ये
And this prema is giving all around the world, no, indiscriminately.
अधिकारी नहीं होने पर भी
Even to the unqualified, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is giving them qualification. He's giving them qualification and then giving them prem also. In reality, this prem
लोग समझ नहीं पाते
people cannot understand.
जो प्रेम के चैतन्य महाप्रभु प्रदान कर रहे हैं
Mahaprabhu is giving the prem,
समझ नहीं
but people are not able to realize his glories.
इस कलयुग में मनुष्य के
In this Kali Yuga,
नीच विचार नीचगामी
the people of this Kali Yuga are fallen and they are contaminated by thousands of shlokas.
कले दोष निधे राजन कलयुग में मनुष्य की तो
In Kali Yuga,
ये सब दिखाई प्रायण
and all this is recorded.
आयुष
Kalasmani Yuga Yuga Jana,
सुमंद
Manda Sumanda,
भक्त
Manda Bhaga Subadrapa.
इस कलयुग में मनुष्य की स्थिति क्या है
What is the situation of the people of Kali Yuga? In this Kali Yuga, they are less aged.
कलयुग के मनुष्य के आयु अतीब
Age of the people in Kali Yuga is very less.
मनुष्य के आयु
In Satya Yuga, humans used to live for 100,000 years.
और त्रेता युग में
And in Treta Yuga, 1 0 removed,
10,000 हो गया
10,000.
और
And
द्वापर युग में
in Dwapar Yuga,
कम हो गया
1 more reduced,
1,000 हो गया
1,000.
और कलयुग में और एक
And
जीरो
in Kali Yuga,
कम हो गया
1 more 0 gone,
100
100 only.
वो भी 100 साल में मनुष्य
In that 100
कितने
years,
प्रकार रोग शोक
and the humans are suffering through so many diseases, many things. Even in that 100 years, is the life expectancy is not even 100 in this time.
और नीच प्रवृत्ति नीच भावना रखने वाले,
and they have moved like this,
परहिंसा,
like they have fallen
दूसरे के हिंसा
nature.
करने वाले,
They like to attack,
दूसरे के धन
they
संपत्ति
are jealous,
आदि
they want to
लूटने वाले,
steal money wealth from others.
परदारगामी,
Paradargami,
समझ में आता है?
understand? Paradargami,
दूसरे स्त्रियों के प्रति
Meaning,
बुरी नजर,
they want to associate with many girls.
तेरे मुंह
Like there's a proverb, like one who has bad eyes, your face is black. Like a proverb, like you're bad. This is the proverb. Such fallen humans of this Kali Yuga, even to them, Mahaprabhu is giving them the rarest prem. For this regard, Brahman, Chandal, to even dog meat eater and Brahman, everyone is receiving the mercy of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu, even he, inside Braj, outside Braj, everywhere he's giving this prem. This is the magnanimity of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. The question comes that why Mahaprabhu is doing this? The question is coming. For this regard, Mahaprabhu is giving, Mahaprabhu is manifesting his highest mood of magnanimity and beneficent nature. Such magnanimity, meaning, like even to the unqualified, he is giving, by giving him the qualification first, and then it is called Udar, which is generosity, magnanimity mood. For this regard, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is giving prema to all. Even the highest prema is giving. The mood of Manjaris also he is giving. We cannot imagine. We cannot even value what Mahaprabhu is giving to us. To attain this prema, we have to be grateful to Gaura Sundar. That Gaura Sundar is giving this prema to us. Very, very beautiful this is. But if Rupa Goswami Pad is writing, there's a sequence, process to attain prema, Adhu Shraddha, Sadhu Sangha, Bhajan Kriya, Anartha Nivritti, Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti, Bhav, and Prem. So all this is coming like this. And more varieties are coming. Snehaman, Pranay Rag, Anurag, Mahabhav. Ruda, Adiruda, Mohan, Madan. Madana ke Bhav. All this special quality of prem. In Ujjwal Neelamani also, everything is explained in detail, each one by one, with example. Everything is explained in Ujjwal Neelamani. Before Mahaprabhu, worshipping of Manjari moods, people did not even know about that. It was not available to them. Such knowledge was not available to anyone. Like in scriptures, it was there little bit, but it was not preached properly. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Rupa Goswami, with their eternal associates, they manifest in the world, and they are giving this beautiful prema in the hearts of everyone. For this regard, Mahaprabhu is called Mahavadana. One is Vadana. Second is Mahavadana. That's why in the Pranam Mantra of Mahaprabhu, it's coming. Srila Rupa Goswami Pad and Sanatana Goswami,
दाते में
They're saying,
दबा करके महाप्रभु को बड़ी प्रार्थना
they're praying to Mahaprabhu, Namo Mahavadaya Budhanaya
कृष्ण प्रेम
Krishna Prema
प्रदाय
Pradayate
कृष्णाय
Krishna
कृष्ण
Chaitanya
चैतन्य
Namne Gaurati Se. For this regard, if Krishna is called Vadanya, then Mahaprabhu is Mahavadanya. Like if Krishna is magnanimous, then Mahaprabhu is million times more magnanimous than him. Very beautiful. But we have to do sadhan to attain this mood. Without sadhan, we cannot attain the goal. Sadhan must be done. We must do sadhan. Not like this that just I open my mouth and sitting and the food will enter the mouth and go into my throat automatically, and then someone else will digest for me, eat for me, chew for me. No. Sadhan has to be done. For this regard, without sadhan, you cannot attain the goal.
ये आज क्या थे? तो 12 बजे भी पूछ रही थी। क्या बात भैया? लंच पीछे होना था अभी तो 8 बजे आप चालू रखिए हरिकथा मोबाइल साधन बिना
Without sadhan, you cannot attain the goal, sadhana. So, by mercy, tell me, what is sadhan? This is coming. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he asked this question to Rai Ramananda. In reality, if we don't do sadhan, like make our own efforts, we can never attain our goal. Sadhya Vastu. Sadhya Vastu is clear. The goal is clear. That the prema of Srimati Radhika is the highest goal. So Sadhya Siromani, which is the crown jewel of all of that. Rai Ramananda asked, so Rai Ramananda and Mahaprabhu conversation so beautiful. So Rai Ramananda started from Varnashram Dharma and ended up with Radha Prema. Everything was covered in that Rai Ramananda Sanvad. This Varnashram Dharma, those who don't follow properly, they cannot attain their goal. For this regard, through Rai Ramananda, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is preaching to us, we have to follow Varnashram Dharma. Brahmachari, Grihastha, Vanprasthi and Sannyasi.
Brahman, Kshatriya,
Vaishya, Shudra. 4 Varnas and 4 ashrams. That's why Vishnu Aradhato Pantanannat Tattu Satkaranam. Vishnu is becoming happy how? If someone follow Varnashram Dharma, only then Varna and Ashram. Those who have Nishtha towards something, it's like their quality. Like so, it depends on the quality and the karma, or that who belongs to which category of the Varnashram. For example, if someone takes birth in Brahman family and is not following good behavior, then he cannot be Brahman. And if someone is Shudra and has the qualities of Brahman, following the rules of being Brahman, then that is a Brahman. So, if the Brahman son is not a Brahman, if he is doing bad things, and the dog meater's child is not a dog meat eater if he is worshipping Krishna. A Brahman is not a Brahman if they are doing bad things, they are having bad eyes on the other woman,
नरकगामी कहा जाता
they go to hell.
है। ये तो ब्राह्मण ब्राह्मण नहीं यदि
That Brahman
असत्पति
is
है।
not a Brahman if
और
they're doing
चंडाल
this.
चंडाल नहीं
And a dog meat
यदि
eater is not a dog meat eater if he's worshipping to Krishna.
यदि चंडाल
Understand? If
नीच
a
कुल में जन्म
Chantal,
लेकर के भी
meaning one who took
वो
birth in a low class family, dog meat eater,
कृष्ण
and worshipping to
राधा को
Krishna,
पालन कर रहे हैं।
following good behavior, then it is the best, highest.
तो उसी प्रकार
In the same way, Soli Varnashram Dharma, explaining all this,
महाप्रभु
Mahaprabhu
राघवंद के लिए भी बताते हैं।
explaining this to Rai Ramanand, that the humans of Kali Yuga, how will they be helped?
में बढ़ने के लिए एक ही उपाय है
To grow in bhakti, there is only one solution: sit in satsanga and listen to Harikatha. What I told, sit in satsanga and listen to Harikatha.
वो हरि कथा ही
Only Harikatha
सुधार सकते हैं।
can help to us.
जब तक हरि कथा
Only it can fix us. If we don't listen Harikatha,
तब
till then
आगे बढ़ेंगे।
you cannot develop your spiritual life.
क्योंकि पहले विधि मार्ग के पालन करते हुए धीरे धीरे
Following Vedi marg, slowly in Rag marg coming.
रत जाने स्वाधीनता रत्न न जाने राग मार्ग कराम प्रवेश ये बुद्धि धीरे धीरे कैसे
Slowly.
रागानुगामी दुनिया में प्रवेश
How to enter Raga Namadan slowly discovering इसके स्वर थे कि रागा परम विष्णु भवित
तन्मय तो भव भूषा
तन्मय भव प्रकात्मिका प्रसाद
रागात्मिक जन उसी की कहा जाता है
the Ragatmic Jan,
नित्य सिद्ध विपरीकार जो है
who are the eternal associates, they are called the
रागात्मिक
Ragatmic Jan.
इष्टे सारसिक
इष्टे स्वार्थिक राग परम अविष्टता भवित.
तन्मय तो भव भूषा रागात्मिका कविता और रागात्मिका अनुसिद्ध जैसा रागांग उच्चते यही सब तत्व सिद्ध
So all this Tattva Siddhanta is coming like this in scriptures.
सिद्धांत में प्रवेश करना चाहिए
You must understand Tattva Siddhanta.
भगवान के चरण में
In the lotus feet of God,
करने के लिए उपाय भी होता है
there is a solution to how to we fix our mind on God.
क्या उपाय है?
What's the solution?
नित्य सिद्ध जैन जो है राधा गोविंद में नित्य सिद्ध हो उनकी संगा करना
The eternal associates of Radha and Govinda, you have to associate with them. This is the solution. Anaradya Radha, Padam Mujarenum.
अनाश्रित वृंदा अटभूत पदांकम तद्भाव असंभास तद्भाव चित्तम गंभीर चित्तम कुतः सामो छंदो रसोद्भावगाः अनारब्ध राधा पदम पुजरेणु अनाश्रित वृंदा अटभूत पदांकम असंभस्य तद्भाव गंभीर चित्तान कुतः श्याम सिंधु रसोद्भावगाः श्याम सिंधु में किसी को यदि प्रवेश करना है अपगाहन करना है
If someone wants to enter the Sham Sindhu, meaning the ocean of divine mellows of Shringar Ras,
किसी को प्रवेश करना है
someone wants to enter that.
श्रृंगार रस में भी
So Shringar Ras, in Shringar Ras, there are two things. One is
संबंधात्मिका
Sambandhatmika and one is Kamatmika.
ये कामात्मिका भी
This Kamatmika also have two types.
योग है
One is Tat Tat Bhavachamai and
और
one is Sambhog Ichamai.
संभोग इच्छा में के छोड़ करके तत्त
Sambhog Ichamai, we have to give that up and we have to enter the Tat Tat Bhavichamai. Bhakti, where there was, this is the mood of Manjari.
सेवा दिखाई चैतन्य महाप्रभु
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
इन्हें कहते हैं
For this regard,
करे क्या
इसके
अनारब्ध
में
राधा
राधा
पदम बदलेनु अनाश्रित
अनाश्रित वृंदा
अद्वैत
अद्वैत पदांकम
असंभस्य तद्भाव
तद्भाव गंभीर चित्तम
सुखस्याम
सुखस्याम सिंधो।
इसी प्रकार
Just like this,
श्रृंगार रस में
the highest Sringar Ras to attain to that,
राधा जी के चरण कमल के एकांत की
we need the 1.5 rating in lotus feet of Srimati Radhika.
और
It's very important. And second is that
वास
You have to reside in Vrindavan.
राधा पदान को विलसितम।
Radha
राधा जी
Padam.
के चरण कमल
The
की
land that is dominated by
वो जो
Srimati
स्थान
Radhika, the land that has the embedded with the footprints of
उन्हीं
Srimati
का
Radhika,
करें
that
एकमात्र
place
राधा
also,
जी के द्वारा ही
it must be completely dominated and under control of
सुरक्षित हो।
Srimati Radhika.
That place completely dominated by श्रीमती राधिका। ऐसे दिग्गज हैं। वृंदावन में तो वास तो है, किंतु वृंदावन में वास कैसे?
So this is how you reside in Vrindavan.
और तीसरा छठा ऋषि
Third, you have to associate with Rashik Vaishnavas.
उनकी भाव माधुर्य के लिए
And to attain these moods, you must associate with them.
शुद्ध वैष्णव के चरण आश्रय में
If you don't take shelter of a pure Vaishnava, you cannot attain anything. For this regard, it is coming that the bhava,
उसी भाव में विभाजित होना पड़ता
you have to be absorbed in the same mood system.
और भक्त संग सदा रसलीला प्रेम कथा ये करे से पाए भविष्य। ऐसे दिव्य अलौकिक वस्तु
Such a divine transcendental mood, to attain that, we have to do this.
इसलिए
For this regard,
ये भावों की प्राप्ति नहीं कर सकते।
how do we attain these moods?
इसलिए कार्य
That's why it is coming like this. Low pravatti must be. Low pravatti. The greed must be there.
लोग जब तक नहीं
If
होता
there is no greed, nothing will work out. Krishna bhakti rasa bhavita mate
कृष्ण भक्ति रसभावित
tam tivyam jado kudopi labhate tatrapi lolam ekalam tirna labhate.
सैकड़ों जीवन के सुख
Millions and million lives of securities, even by that you cannot attain this thing.
और लोग रूपी
But just if you have the greed,
उसके खरीद
then you can easily purchase it. That's just the price to pay. Just you have meaning, just you need to have the greed. We just need the
इसी
greed.
प्रकार उसी
In the same way, listening to katha, associating with the devotees, and especially residing in Vrindavan,
लोग के तीन लक्षण बता रहे हैं।
three symptoms of greed. In someone's heart, if there is greed,
उसके तीन लक्षण राजभक्त चंद्रिका
three symptoms mentioned in Ragvartam Chandrika Shravashanath Chakravarti Path is explained.
लोग उत्पन्न हो गए कैसे पता चले?
How do you know if someone greed manifested
कौन
with
से
someone?
लोग हो जाता है?
Like false greed, people get.
लोग हो जाता है।
Like people get false greed, but the proper greed is very hard.
लोग उत्पन्न के लिए उसके तीन लक्षण
For
बता
greed
रहे
to
हैं।
manifest, three symptoms.
बल्कि व्यक्ति उत्कृष्टवान
Like they will follow all. One is all the Vedic Bhakti, all the rules and regulations of the scriptures. They will follow properly Vedic Bhakti.
वैदिक व्यक्ति उसे पालन करने पड़े। उसे
They have to
कहा
follow.
जाता है, विधि मार्ग
That's
विधि
why
मार्ग का रहते जाने
First you enter Vedic Marg and slowly, then you get entry into the Rag Marg.
राग मार्गो कराग उपदेश। विधि मार्ग उसे पालन करना पड़ेगा।
Have to follow the Vedic Marg, all the spiritual injunctions, Jata Diksha, Shiksha, Vishram, Bina, Guru, Seva.
मैं समझता विधि मार्ग होता है।
All these has to be done.
66 प्रकार के व्यक्ति की
64 types of limbs of
नियम को पालन करना पड़ेगा।
Bhakti, all you have to follow.
नहीं तो
Otherwise,
विधि मार्ग नहीं पालन कर रहे
if you don't follow Vedic Marg and you're saying greed is there, this can never happen.
इन्हें कहा जाता है श्रुति
That's why Shruti Smriti Narada Pancharatri Vidim Vina.
एकांत की
One who is doing Hari Bhakti without following the scriptural injunctions, they are just causing disturbance.
इसलिए कह रहे हैं
For this regard,
पहले लक्षण क्या लोग की पहले लक्षण
first symptom of greed is to
विधि मार्ग की यथार्थ रूप को पालन करें।
following Vedic Marg properly. Diksha, Shiksha, Vishram, Bena, Guru, Seva.
दीक्षा भी ग्रहण करना पड़ेगा।
Technicization.
जो बिना मंत्र या सेवा आदि
You
करना
have to serve the Guru.
भिक्षा शिक्षा
जैसे
विश्रम
विश्रम्भेन गुरु सेवा.
और दूसरी क्या है?
Next is,
आ जाओ।
so if a person wants to develop greed and they have the greed to drink the milk, then what has to go? They have to go to the dairy. Like so, they will give the milk. The next day, they say, "Oh, you are coming daily. Just you take one cow from me.
गाय ले जाओ और बछड़ा भी ले जाओ।
Take calf also. Take the cow and calf. Serve the cow."
गाय बछड़ा तो लेकर के
He brought the cow and the calf, but if he doesn't take care of the cow properly, then the cow will not give milk. It won't give the milk.
ठीक उसी
In
प्रकार
the same way,
लोभ उत्पन्न होने पर
when lobh, greed manifests,
तो वो विधि मार्ग भी पालन करो।
like a person follows all the rules and regulations, all the scriptures, and then
रात्रि दिने राधा कृष्ण करो सेवा मने मने सत्य
the
देह
exalted devotees, they're always adopting a transcendental constitutional form and offering service to Radha and Govinda.
स्मरण करना चाहिए। अरे जातरूपी साधक तो है ही।
Jatarati Sadhaka, is it correct?
इसके ऊपर में उसके
One who has ruchi is called Jatarati Sadhak.
जातरूपी साधक
And Ajatarati Sadhak, they cannot do this.
रति उत्पन्न होने हो गया।
The Rati is very important, it's called Ajatarati Sadhak.
रति
And Rati,
उत्पन्न नहीं हुई ऐसे साधक को कहा जाता है
Sadhak is called Ajatarati.
जन्म 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 भजन करके आया है।
Bhajan many lifetimes, meaning
संत महात्मा को कृपा प्राप्त करके
they have the mercy of Santa Mahatmas, and then they are very far in their process.
ऐसे साधक
Such a sadhak,
यह वस्तु प्राप्त कर सकते
they can attain these things.
हैं।
Understand?
उद्देश्य क्या है?
What is the goal of your life?
भजन तो सभी करेंगे।
Everyone is doing bhajan, but
उद्देश्य क्या उद्देश्य लोगों
what
को
is the
भजन
motive
करते हैं,
of doing bhajan?
उसके अनुसार वह
Depending on that, the fruits will come.
उद्देश्य क्या है?
What is the purpose?
उसको आपको स्थिर रखना पड़ेगा।
You have to be fixed. The purpose must be
आप
fixed.
भजन कर रहे हैं
You are doing bhajan.
किस उद्देश्य?
What is your purpose? What is your
कोई
motive?
मुक्ति के लिए कर रहे हैं।
Someone is doing for liberation.
कोई स्वर्ग आदि सुख
Someone is
प्राप्ति
going
करने
to
के
attain
लिए
to heaven and enjoy more senses in the heaven.
उसके बाद कर
That's
लेता
why
है,
we said,
उद्देश्य के अनुसार ही उसको फल
depending on the goal, you get the fruits.
और उद्देश्य होने पर भी नहीं हुआ उसी प्रकार
And
उस प्रकार संत महात्मा के संग आदि करना
you
पड़ेगा।
have to associate with Santa Mahatmas.
इसमें तो दिखा।
Then everything will happen, no problem.
इसमें साधन
Sadhan must be
साधन
done.
करीबे जहाँ सिद्धि तो पाई देता है केवल मात्र पक्का अपाक को विचार साधन के लिए ठीक से नहीं करे
If you don't do sadhan properly, then you cannot attain anything. So, what do you have to do?
साधन
Have to do sadhan,
नाम जप
chanting holy names,
तपस्या आदि
austerities, all these things have to be done. Efforts must be
और
made.
वैष्णव में तपस्या क्या है?
And what is Vaishnava? When the best tapasya, like following Ekadashi, this is the most hard austerity in the Vaishnavism. Just you follow
उसने
Ekadashi.
सहज कर दिया
Very easy, no?
ये कलयुग में
In Kali Yuga,
तपस्या क्या है? एकादशी दिया तो करना है।
austerities is just to follow Ekadashi.
एक तो मत सोचो मैं
Don't you think
मैं करना
I am doing it?
पर कौन कराए?
Who is making you do? Guru and God is making you do this. So when you have this mood, slowly, when you do sadhana,
गोपी की अनुगत में सेवा करते करते
when you serve under the guidance of the gopis, slowly, then all these moods manifest.
कहीं पे भी सत्य में दिखा गया
In scripture, somewhere it's written, one who gets causeless mercy, they can attain also. But this mercy of God is very rare. This mercy of God is very rare. God, Premanand, Hari Hari Bol.